Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Hulu with T-Mobile, okay? So if you're actually eligible for Hulu through T-Mobile, you want to follow these simple steps, and I'm going to help you to start streaming your favorite shows. So let's dive right in, guys. So first things first, you want to make sure that you're actually subscribed to an eligible T-Mobile plan. For example, this is Magenta, or this is Magenta Max, which basically includes a free Hulu subscription, okay? Next, guys, what I need you to do is I need you to log in to your T-Mobile account through the T-Mobile app or on their website. And once you're logged in, guys, just navigate to the add-ons section of your account dashboard. So here, what I need you to do is I need you to look for the Hulu subscription offer. Okay, tap on it, and then just follow the prompts to actually activate the offer. So once you actually activated, Hulu 3T Mobile, you'll be redirected to the Hulu website. And if you don't already have a Hulu account, you basically need to create one. So if you do, guys, you just log in with your existing account credentials, and what's going to happen is that during the setup, Hulu will actually confirm your plan is linked to T-Mobile. So you won't be charged separately, okay? Just complete the setup and you're good to go, guys, okay? And now just, open the Hulu app or website and just, start enjoying your favorite shows and movies, all included with your T-Mobile plan. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.